how to log in Facebook mobile app. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward to the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your Facebook application on your device. Soon after opening up, you'll be able to see this interface. So in the text box, you need to enter your either mobile number or email and password associated with your Facebook ID. In order to enter, you can simply tap on the text box and enter. If you forgot your password, then you can go for forget password option. Hit the button by which you will be able to reset your password and you can again log into your account. After entering, simply go for login, and after that you can see my ID has been logged in. So by following this simple step, you can log in Facebook mobile app. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.